哇，早啊！哇，早啊，早啊，早啊，升嘅畫面有冇問題啊？哇，太耐冇開台咧，已經有少唔記得咗開台要有啲咩要搞啦。唉，救命！哎，嗱，距離我上次開台係上次嘅事，係所以哇！我上次開台應該係講緊生日嗰一次開台啦，即係4月尾嘅時候啊，應該哇，差唔多半個月多啲冇開台，哇！啊，係時候要係時候要開多幾台啦，係咪？補翻數啲咧。咁啊，今日咧，我哋就嚟呢個嘅玩OverTheWire 啊，呢個係比較上入門少少嘅 challenge 嚟嘅，呢係一個比較上入門少少嘅 Linux 嘅又唔係可能唔奇佢又唔係算 challenge 嘅，不過純粹一隻technical 啲嘅 game 咯，可以話係。咁咧而家等陣我睇睇先啦，係得啊，好咁咧有。頭先我直唔記得開翻個 CMD 出嚟，係啊。咁而家你應該見到個畫面咧，應該會係有兩個畫面嘅，左邊咧係佢個即係嗰個website 啊，嗰個，然之後右邊咧就係嗰個我就係我會用嚟玩嘅 game 嘅 command prompt。咁係啦，呢隻 game 咧係需要用到呢個嘅command prompt 嚟玩嘅。咁啊，事不宜遲啦，開波啦好啊！咁啊，佢依度都佢而家呢度都有寫啦。咁啊，第一關其實就係要即係一開始之前咧，係你要連咗去佢嘅 server 先嘅，就係呢個咩呢個咩 bandit.labs.overthewire.org 呢個。我哋可以直接連咗去玩喎。等一陣啊。係啊，我突然間有人打電話俾我。OK，等多陣啦，係我突然間佢有人我要處理咗嗰個位先係，俾少時間我 ，sorry 啊。唔好意思，係啊，咁嚟緊咧，玲姐咧咁啊有啲要搞，咁所以咧咁啊叫人幫我就即係叫問玲仔就叫人哋幫我搞一搞少少嘢啦咁啊。咩佢啱啱突然間打電話過嚟俾我，咁我就要俾少資訊佢係啊。OK， 好。係 OK， 好。咁啊，頭先講到邊啊？係頭先話要連落去佢嘅 server 係啦，所以我哋睇下先啊。user 呢係 bandit 0，然之後要個 port 係2220。咁咧咁啊，成功咁連到去佢個 server 啦，咁就個 password 係 0。OK，good。 咁咧，我哋就成功入咗呢個即係成功呢個設置咗佢嘅前置任務啊，類似。睇先，我哋可以玩第一關啦，係嘛？咁第一關咧，佢話要佢話有個 file 咧叫 readme 係啦，咁咧就 locate 喺一個叫即係 home，即係喺呢個 home directory 入邊。就 which is 咧理論上咧，我只要打 ls 咧就應該見到一個 file 喺度嘅，冇錯啦。咁咧呢個第一關咧就通常唔會好難嘅，咁啊非常之簡簡單單啦，咁啊你基本上你入到去咁啊可以就見到一個 file 咁啊直接揾佢個開佢個 file 出嚟，開翻個 file 出嚟就揾到啦。所以呢個就係佢嘅 password 啦，好明顯好簡單嘅啫。咁咧睇下先啦，入第二關咧就係睇下先，佢要睇下先2去3。揾翻佢嗰個佢嗰個嗰嚿嗰個咩？呢一個 domain 入翻去先。Yes， 然之後個 password 就係好簡單。我唔記得 specify 嗰個 port 先。OK， 好，我要退出嚟先，再播個 password 係頭先見到嗰句我 catch 嚟嗰個 file 喺呢度，呢個係第一個 file， 第一個密碼。OK， 好。第一關咧係嘛非常之簡單啊。咁第二關係第二關，咁呢個咧就係佢話喺 The password for the next level is stored in a file called 減 located in the home directory。咁我哋都係好似咁樣頭先 check 入而家我哋呢個 home directory 係啲咩先啦嘛？有叫減嘅嘢，但係點樣入去咧？減咧，因為喺 Linux 入邊咧，其實佢係一個特別嘅，即係有啲特別嘅字符啦嘛。咁所以如果直接打 CD 入去咧，應該係唔 work 嘅。試下，如果 CD 如果直接咩唔得嘅話咧，我哋可以試一試。Nope。佢唔係 file，佢唔係呢個，佢唔係一個 directory，佢係一個 file。sorry， 可以揾招辦法去 bypass 咗佢嗰個 syntax 個咩咧，咁就可以就攞到就好簡單攞到佢個 password 㗎，其實好簡單。因為第二關嘅 password 就出咗嚟。好，我哋即係入第二關啦。OK， 好level 1 to level 2 3。The password for the next level is stored in a file called 減減 space, and this file name 減減 located in the home directory。OK， 好簡單。咁我哋都係一開始都係 search 我哋呢個有啲咩啦，係嘛？即係佢話呢個 file 咧就叫做呢個係佢嘅 file 名係啦。咁所以我哋直接睇先。咁其實同頭先嗰個差唔多，其實都可以直接咁樣斜，所以咁樣。先 我 tab 其實都係用同一個方法可以 skip 到佢個 syntax 個 error 係啊，咁所以都簡單啊，呢個目前我都係好簡單嘅。3咁啊，我哋可以去下一關咪3去4啦呢度。password 係呢個，好咁啊。The password for the next level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. OK， 咁啊有個叫 in here 嘅 directory 啦，我哋睇睇，咁啊入去個 folder 入邊，好咧。佢話係一個 hidden file 嚟嘅，咁我哋就咁打 ls 咧，咪未必睇到啊嘛。我哋可以有 ls 咧，有其他嘅用法嘅，唔係淨係得 ls 咁簡單嘅啫。咁所以我哋如果想睇個咩料咧，我哋可以打 man 去睇去 check 佢個，即係佢個指令係點用啦，係嘛？呢度例如有樣嘢我哋叫做係啦 ，all 係啦，夾 A 可以用啦，之後咧。Use a long listing format 咁啊，為咗容易睇啊嘛，我哋可能用夾 L 去 show 俾你睇啦咁啊。咁我哋可以夾 LA 咁就有個叫做有個 hidden 嘅 file 喺度啊，咁就 check 到。3點 hidden from you 咁啊，下一關嘅 password 都攞到翻嚟啊。到目前嚟講都冇乜太大嘅障礙啊！而家第4關，好啦。The password for the next level is stored in an only human-readable file in the in here directory. Tips: if your terminal is messed up, try the reset command. OK。都係 check 有啲咩先啦，咁啊 in here 都有 directory 喺度啦，可以 CD 入去。哇呢一串嘢，我哋可以睇睇呢一串嘢係咩嚟咧？個 command 係咩啊？係咪叫 type 嘅？即係一時嘅係咪叫 type 咧？我試一試先，應該就唔會用到啲好奇奇怪怪嘅嘢嘅，應該就冇晒。即係 in here。佢冇有。應該唔使用 string 嘅，咁咪叫係file 應該係可以睇入邊個 file 入邊有啲咩 data 啦，咁啊 file 00010207咁啊，睇先。The password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory。我試下揾睇下個咩嚟嘅先，開下嚟。012。OK。係咪呢一個咧？有啲似係呢一個咩4OK HKVTuber 呢個啊，我 check 係啊 L 有啲似啦，個嗰個都啱嘅，都對到嘅，係嘛？我哋可以揾翻出嚟啊！啱啊，得啦，咁啊。The password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory and has all the following properties。有 human readable 啦，有1033 byte in size， 就 not executable。咁啊，睇下先 ，add LS 先啦嘛。in here directory。哇哦！LA， 哇 ，OK。咁咧，佢就話咧有機會可以用到翻嘅，咁啊，我哋睇睇翻點用先啊。翻嘅話咧，咁啊，頭先我哋要揾翻啲特徵出嚟先啊。例如佢要咩咧 ？human readable， 咁啊，我哋睇一睇佢個 argument 可以點樣 configure 個 argument 出嚟先。減 H。減 H 減 L and 減 P options control the treatment of the symbolic links。咁咧 expression 應該係呢個嚟嘅，係減 follow 減 data positional options 係啊，減 one global options。human readable 嗰個 like name but the mesh is in case insensitive。 OK links 減 name and group no user term readable regex same file 減 size。 有啦，減 size。話1033 byte 係嘛？1033 byte 嘛，即係我畫低先啊，咁啊減 size 1033 C 係啦，可以 human readable。whole name blah 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 blah。 mesh file which are readable by the current user。 係咪呢一個咧？減 readable no user no group no new executable 係 mesh file that executable。佢冇一個 option 係調翻轉咧？executable 係嘅。我先減 false 係 always false 啦。name 減 I 減 L name。唔緊要，我哋先揾咗個最我哋啱啱揾到個咩先係啦，我哋可以試試 find 星。 翻完。H expression 擺最尾，擺最尾係啊。expression 擺最尾咧，human readable 啊，係我頭先有個叫咩 readable 嗰個，我冇 copy 到。readable 邊咧？係 readable 呢個係。點斜聲？咁多 recursive 㗎，睇下先。readable。你寫 R 咧？佢冇 recursive， 佢冇 recursive 咁問㗎。搜尋。Find。先。等陣我 check 翻佢個 file 叫咩名啊？叫做S maybe here 00。綠色嗰啲係 executable， 即係可以執行嘅。咁啊，白色嗰啲就係 non-executable， 即係我哋要揾嘢，suppose 係要揾啲白色嗰啲嘢，suppose 係要。咁啊，咁睇先，我啲 parameter 喺呢度。點解？OK。有啦，揾到啦。先 maybe here 嘅7嘅 file two dot file two 有啦 password fix it。第6關。The password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties. OK， 即係只不過係將個 scope 再即係整大咗佢啫。Fine。Somewhere on the server， 即係佢而家即係佢連喺邊都唔同你講啦。OK。咁咧，我哋去翻。斜係呢個嘅 Linux 嘅最 root 嗰層嚟嘅，係啊。睇先，佢有幾個 properties 啦嘛 ，owned by user band 7 ，owned by group band 6，然之後33個 byte in size， byte in size 我哋頭先都用過一次啦，係嘛，直接將個 size 改做33就得啦。咁但係咧 owned by 咧，我哋要睇睇啦。次次都要攞住呢個咁啊！呢個咩嘢真係owned by 嗱，呢個係 positioning argument same file regex readable 減 perm no user no group name。哎呀 ，group 呢？減 group 呢度係啊，我哋攞低先，減 group。band 6 owned by user。都用關事 ，same file size type 係啦 ，user 減 user 有減 user 係 band 7。好，我哋喺 slash 度揾，應該有冇數到咧？好似冇得數，左下位騎咗啦。好似揾到個啦。呢全部都 no permission 嘅嗰啲嘢啊，快 no permission 佢直接揾到一個叫 var 斜 lib 斜 info 唔知 password 嘅嘢，係啊。咁咧呢嚿嘢有機會就係個 password 嚟嘅，我哋可以。check 佢個 file 係啦 ，ASCII text 嚟嘅，咁我哋可以 check 咗，唔係呢個，唔係 check 呢個，打開呢個 file 睇下，啊個 password 喺度啊 ，L7，搞 what 消失咗一陣咁啊，純粹係即係我上一次我上一次我係嗰陣係生日嗰時啦，直播啦。咁咧，咁啊即係啱啱好生日完之後咧，咪一堆咁嘅 exam 啊嗰啲，然之後又要處理翻到 year project 啊咁啊，好多嘢咧咁啊，壓縮喺幾個禮拜入邊要搞掂晒佢，咁所以咧就冇乜時間去開台，咁所以就之前就我就冇特別去開台咁樣啦。呢個6嘅，呢關係我記得，下一關係7啦。 得 OK， 嚇親。But the password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt next to the word million。咩嚟㗎 ？data.txt next to the， 睇先，我 check 佢係咩題嚟先。OK， 佢係一個，哇！先睇，哇！對唔住，我錯啦，哇 ！OK， 好，即係簡單啲就係佢呢個文檔入邊嘅隔離有一堆嘢，然之後後邊有一堆字符嘅嘢。我要揾一個叫做 million 嘅字 ，OK。咁咧我哋可以用呢個嘅我哋 data.txt， 我哋就 grab 呢一個嘅好簡單，非常之簡單呢個。我哋可以直接用 grab， 即係去喺一堆資料入邊攞我哋想要嘅嘢出嚟。呢個就應該係密碼啦。L8 第8關，咁睇嚟我哋而家目前都進度良好啊，應該都冇乜太大問題啊。早啊 ，T.P 早啊，第8關。The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt and is the only line of the text that occurred only once. OK， 即係佢話睇先啊，如果先我 check 睇下個 file 入邊係咩先 data.txt 都係 ASCII text 嘅 OK， 我 head 咗先係啦。哇 ，OK， 即係照咁講咧，佢話 the password for the next level is not and is the only line of the text that occurred only once， 即係 suppose 係淨係得一個嘅啫。OK， 咁我哋可以試試，我哋可以 cat 佢出嚟先啦。然之後咧，係呢個 pipe 咧係即係做完 execute 第一個即係第一個動作完之後咧，將第一個動作嘅 result 咧擺去作為第二個 argument 嘅 input 嚟嘅。呢個即係咁解。我哋要 sort 咗先，然之後我哋要攞 unique 嘅。OK。Suppose 係 suppose 唔應該咁樣個，我睇睇，我都睇睇佢，哇 ，OK 得。Suppose 唔應該係得 ，OK 好。Suppose 應該係要遠，再遠啲多次啲。And it's the only line of the text that occurred only once。你肯定呢全部淨係一次咁大鑊？唔通係要逐個試？我唔 suppose 係咁樣嘅。 OK， 好，我哋 check 先 ，unique 有啲咩可以？ignore case 減 U，OK， 係有啦，啱嘅，夠完。我漏咗個 parameter 啫，係啦，實在係呢一個，呢個係個 password L 9。咁咧減 U 咧係一個叫頭先應該有 show 到嘅，唔係 short。unit 咧就係淨係 print 嗰個，即係淨係得顯示過一詞嗰個 password 出嚟嘅。我哋係 Benny 8，下一個係9，即係9。OK， 好，第9關。The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt in one of the few human-readable strings, preceded by several equals characters. OK。我睇睇佢呢個 data.txt 入邊有啲咩先。data.txt。哦 ，OK， 睇下可唔可以抽到啲 string 出嚟？見到啦，等有前面有好多個等完之後，後尾呢一串嘢，呢個就應該係嗰個 password 啦。咁呢個都唔係太複雜嘅。The password is 呢一個係啦，都 OK。10。我哋第10關。第10關呢度。The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, which contains the base 64 encoded data. OK, encoded data 即係 file data.txt ASCII text 啦。OK， 好，即係呢一嚿嘢係佢所謂嘅 base 64嘅嗰串嘢啦。64減啲啊，咁我哋可以 base 64減啲，係個 string 嚟嘅 ，echo 咯。base 64減啲。OK， 得好。咁啊 ，the password is 呢一嚿嘢啦。1。咁咧 echo 係咩咧 ？echo 只不過係即係簡單呢個就係將入邊嘅嘢再重複一次咁解啫，其實只不過係啊。咁所以冇乜嘢，即係例如如果 echo 啊嘛 ，hello 咁樣，佢就真係出翻 hello 俾你咯。所以我就直接將echo hello 呢嚿嘢，即係我頭先係即係直接將呢一嚿嘢呢一串嘢啦咁啊 echo 一次，即係變咗做呢嚿咩？即係作為一個佢顯示出嚟嘅個答案，將佢擺落去 base 64減啲嗰度再做呢個電曲，所以就直接出咗個答案。which is 唔係太難嘅其實係11。咁其實去到目前為止，其實都冇乜 暫時都冇乜太大話嗰啲咩太難嘅嘢會阻到住而家。The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, where all lowercase and uppercase letters have been rotated by 13 position。哇！呢個係一個都幾明顯嘅提示啦。rotated by 13 position。Which is 其實佢係講緊RAW 13係啊。不過我哋睇睇先啊。data.txt 哇！即係呢嚿咁嘅嘢咁啊 RAW 13。translate 係啦，咁我哋咧就用 translate 啊呢個指令啊 TR。先，我哋可以control characters digital。13 rotate 13個，睇先，即係睇先13個喺呢度。我數先 A B C 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13，即係去到 M。好。RAW 13咧，其實佢原理好簡單啫，即係將 A 褪13個位變咗做 N 咁樣係啦，即係然之後如此類推咁樣係啦，咁所以就我先 translate。我睇翻個 translate 個咩？哇 translate 我都有一段時間冇用過啊！我要諗點樣用翻個 translate 先。translate alphabet 我唔記得咗添。alphabet English哇唔係喎，我都要諗點樣用翻個橙色喎，因為太耐冇用過啊。死啦，係咪？係咁樣咧？哇！一時真係唔記得咗點用添。呢頭先先，然之後全色。啊，唔係，佢要連埋個咩一齊轉。我俾少時候諗點樣用翻嗰個指令先。 啊，唔係，係，我好似突然間諗翻起啦。睇先，好似係要13，即係呢度。係咪咁樣咧？我唔記得咗，我唔記得佢先題係點樣先。alphabet，然之後我一時之間真係唔記得咗啲先題點打喎。option string 1 string 2 option 係一個叫做 alphabet 啦。係咪先 option 之後 string 1我哋直接係靠即係前面嗰個嘅 argument 嘅 output 入啦，咁所以唔需要俾 string 啦。但係 option 睇先 option 係呢一堆嘢叫 option。description alphabet array alpha 咁樣。唔記得 alpha number 呢死人，一時真係唔記得晒咩？記 alpha number 嘅。算啦，我直接上網揾啲電曲打算啦，不如。how number 佢好似唔係喎。算啦，我直接上網揾到嗰啲咩算啦。係啊，好。因為我知道咧，上網咧係即係 online 咧係好多啲嗰啲叫咩Rock 13嘅電曲帶啊。個 password 就係咩？先，呢個就係個 password 係啊。其實都其實都解到少少嘅，不過係嗰啲咩啊？係前面嗰啲全部改錯晒嘅，實在係呢下邊我 highlight 緊嗰個係嗰個 password 然之後 唔得，我想再揀多次先，唔得我唔忿氣，係啊，呢度出嚟結果。即係咁多 M 啊！不是，啊！有啲人佢點樣步梯咧？啊，減絲係咪？睇先 delete space 所以叭。In the array 2 copies the until length of array 1。啊，係應該係咁樣，但係extra operand。唔緊要，我哋而家有呢個 AI， 我問一問 AI 先。頂死啊！係咪減 S 啊？好似係減 S 喎。唔係喎，冇 repeat 咩？唔係㗎。suppose 有 repeat 喎，我記得。算啦，唔緊要，我喺呢個唔緊要，我哋揾到答案算啦，算呢個唔等時間啦，12係呢個馬上 copy 嘅，唔緊要12。The password for the next level is stored in 都有個叫 data.txt, which is a hex dump of a file that has repeated compressed. For this level, it may be useful to create a directory under /tmp in which you can work. Use mkdir with a hard to guess directory name, or better, use the command mktmp -d. Use mkdir to with a hard. Okay. 佢要咩？佢 suppose 係喺個 mk file data ASCII Wow, Stem. Binary. Huh? Okay. Strings 哦，string 先。有啲咩先？冇，唔關事。TMP。TMP 斜 guess。OK 得好，可以轉 direction 啦。file next up it has been repeated compressed for this which is a system of a file that has been repeatedly compressed. Data to dot bin, OK。有啲data to dot bin。data to dot bin 睇下先。有冇咧？data to用乜顏色表示啊？佢唔係睇先，cannot find zip file directory in one of data two dot bin or data two dot bin dot zip。咁啊 ，ASCII。咗啊，胡仔咗啊。OK， 好。啲人咩事？我改翻名先。data 我貼少先。data 唔係。有乜顏色嘅？冇咁笨。 MEH4。我睇多次佢條題目先，可能佢題目可能有俾 tips 嘅。Which is a system of the file that has been repeatedly compressed. OK， 係 repeatedly compressed 呢個好重要啊。Data using CP。等陣。如果data G讀識讀知識 ，OK， 有乜跟攝嚟嘅？data 多，唔都係分攝？data B12啊 ，OK，B 銀色。我 check 多睇下先 data 圖入邊。Suppose 佢入邊應該應該係有 file 喺入邊嘅喎，應該係要。先幾多時？可唔可以咁樣咧？F 唔係 H send in no error is not recovered exiting now which use MTTR with a hard to guess what use the都查先 TR TAR GC BC MB3 data to 即係佢入邊，我應該係佢入邊應該有嚿嘢叫咩 data to 多邊嘅嘢，但係點樣？我而家要點樣我要點樣 extract 佢出嚟係一個問題，我諗先。有時我諗到個非常之戇鳩嘅方法，唔係，但係應該唔係咁樣辦。我轉多幾先。OK。MV data。I'm not sure，我唔肯定呢個 work 唔 work 嘅，但係冇佢只不過係將呢個咩 copy 多次㗎，唔會嘅。好問題。MKDIRCP MV OK Hexum 我睇下先 Hexum 等先OK 好 reverse XD 㗎我自己蠢咗翻嚟睇先 data to 多邊會唔會又係轉咗啦，唔同翻啦，啱啦。哎呀，傻仔，真係。OK， 好。呢個係一個 G 式嚟嘅 Mola Spotify。OK，G 式，咁所以要將個 data to 多邊，然之後做。等先，我再 check 多次個 file 睇先 ，data to 多邊係 OK，佢而家變咗係 B 攝啦，即係我哋用翻 B 人攝 to 啦 ，data to OK 唔緊要 ，MV 呢個 data to 多邊，再做 data to 多 B。佢冇得咁樣 ，OK， 好咯，對唔住咯。然之後 data to 佢叫乜嘢啊？佢冇話我 check 下先 ，compress 係減啲啊。 我data to .bzip 喺度，G-zip 嚟嘅，而家變咗做，哇！我睇我都好低能啊，佢係咁不斷變唔同嘅咩？G-zip 跟接data to file。OK， 他嚟嘅，今次係啊，他 BF， 然之後 data to OK， 有個叫 data 5 dot bin 嘅嘢啊 ，data 5 dot bin。吓？你仲未完啊？BC 啊，MV data 6 dot data 6 dot bzip b unzip to how you learn it Linux? I'm kind of learning Linux, but I'm trying to play the OverTheWire, which is I would say some kind of like challenge, maybe. I would say, but the game used Linux to play. Yeah, like you will use some like gzip or like some argument, some command that exists in the Linux. So yeah, you can check off that. Oh cool, bug check. I used Arc, by the way. Yeah, but if I use Linux, I may use Kali Linux for some like when doing forensic or when doing hacking. Yeah, so there is different purpose for using Linux, right? A Kali Linux lover. I see. Nice. I'm not sure. Yeah, but I will not say I would love Kali Linux, but I would say because Kali is the most mainstream or the most popular operating system in hacking, I think. So most of my friends, they are also using Kali Linux too. Yeah. 6 stop. Data 6 stop. Out. Oh my god. Like and subtle. Do try to daily drive a distro of your choice someday. You will be a great power user, especially when Windows become more they betray users nowadays. So yeah, changing to Linux is maybe a choice. Changing to Linux may be an option too. Jeez. Data 8.bin. Jeez. Been using app for years, can say yes, it is a good choice if you ever want to run away from Microsoft. You know, Microsoft Snap word has been banned from Microsoft from Microsoft Discord. They stop people from saying they stop people from saying Microsoft. Oh, finally. 終於啊！我哋解到個 password 出嚟，黐線！佢係咁暗示，傻噶！ Speaking of which, Microsoft Edge was caught red-handed giving out password in place. Yeah, I know. They argue that this is a feature instead of a vulnerabilities. I remember they argue that it is a feature instead of vulnerabilities. F04 咁啊，而家係10 OK 好，我哋冇攞到 password 啦，我哋可以 exit 啦。不過喺 exit 之前咧，要做啲咩咧？就係OK 好。13 Data breach is not real. It cannot hurt you. The breach. Yeah. Microsoft is losing its reputation now because of this. L14. The password for the next level is stored in etc and can only be read by user Bennett 14. For this level, you don't get the next password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. Look at the command that logged you into the previous Bennett level and find out how to use the key for this level. And who could forget recall? Oh my god. Yeah. And also, Microsoft Windows updates are very troubleshooting. They're getting trouble. They can release a update and then they can maybe something just that not acting correctly and record the update patches. So yeah. Okay, SSH key .private. So true. They update when we are about to do something really important, not when we are free. You can't. They provide a delay function, but I think that is that function is. I can't describe it. It's just seems like so useless, you know. And they even limit how there is a limit on how you can delay set a delay。睇到頭冇水，卡馬奇咗啊，卡馬奇。The delay function never works. It's just a placeholder probably made by AI. You know there are a lot of code that they stack on there are a lot of ancient code that are only stacked on each other. And there is a shit of code. A mountain of shit code existed. 先，咁我佢其實呢個第10呢一關都好明顯嘅，佢就話要用 SSH 嗰條 key 去 login 咁。好明顯啊！呢條係一條 private key 啦，我哋可以睇睇佢條 private key 係咩。OK， 咁我哋整一條 private key 啦。我哋將條 key 擺喺睇先。我擺喺 desktop 度先。要條 key 啦，要。private key 啦，然之後開 open with 先。This one's just updated by the Linux setup right now. No, please wait. We are updating. Spotted. Nor the system crash. But for mainstream user, for the end user, it's very difficult for them to use the Linux. Even if the Linux is still has been keep updating, but I think there is still a obstacle for the normal user to updating to the Linux, to use Linux. So I think this issue can't be solved in recent times. It is a Do you use John the Ripper or Hashcat for RSA encryptions? I've tried to use RSA and I've tried both Hashcat and JTR. Yeah, but I use them for like for cracking the password. Yeah. But I remember John the Ripper only support for CPU only. But Hashcat support for GPU. I remember is Hashcat support for GPU, maybe. So if I really try to crash the password, brute force, I will use Hashcat instead. Okay, 14。其實都 OK 嘅，14嘅話，佢都話埋俾我聽，其實要點入。不過我要睇睇 SSH 佢個係咪減 I 得？我冇記錯係減 I。我哋可以拉個 private key 入。Okay, good. It's technically possible to force both of them to run on GPU, but again, no beginner would go to that DIY territory. Yeah, but generally speaking, I think Hashcat has the option to directly use the GPU. If I remember correctly, there is no need for extra. I think when it compiled it already has the argument to do it for the GPU. Yeah. So, but this is not true for the John the Ripper. I remember. So say. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 3000 on localhost. Oh, yeah. 呢關要玩呢劇啊，正。哇，好玩啊！呢關正啊！呢關有啲嘢。但係首先我要揾到條，我要揾到個 password 先。喂，好問題。13。有，佢上一關頭先有講到話佢個 password 係邊嘅？呢一關呢個就係個 level 理論上係 level 14嘅 password 嘅，不過 level 14佢係要用即係要用 private key 入啦。然之後而家15啦，15咧就係話唔黐線，然之後佢要。By submitting the password， OK。我試下可唔可以直接 echo 個 password 入去先。係咪減 P 有人 ？Netcat 嘅話，佢嗰個port 係咩？3萬。我就要用咩啦 ？Echo。Also about that, you speak English like a native Canadian. No joke. Really? But I'm not from Canada, so it's surprised that I'm surprised that someone appreciate my English like that. 掉落去 Netcat 減 P 3。唔好減，即係 Netcat 減 port localhost。Really? I don't have permission to execute soon. As soon. No. T localhost 3萬。啊！佢一定要咁樣啊 ？Localhost 3萬。OK， 我哋攞到，咁我哋就攞到 level 15個 password。That's it. 15. Okay. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 3001 on localhost using SSL/TLS encryption. Helpful getting done renegotiating or key update. Read the connected command section in the main page. 買要今次要用呢個嘅SSL 去落現啊。哇，可以啦，咁先喎。而家有咩話？佢冇話要。唔係睇睇先有冇點樣可以用呢個 SSL 去落現？Listen for incoming call. Support. Client server model. 哇，4.06分啊！哇哇，我冇諗到，哇玩呢一個玩到咁咩喎？我冇 expect 到玩咁耐。MM and nested. That is definitely gonna be a network detection based level. Yeah. Broadcasting. Proxy username source port. Is there different for ANC and CAT? I'm not sure. Oh, this is different tools. Okay. It would be funny if they end up rickrolling us using Telnet. Oh my god. I hope not. It was written for the MMAP project and is accumulating of the currently has decided to map backend to instantly provide network connectivity to other applications. Okay. 我應該都係要搞呢樣嘢先。我睇睇 SSL、Open SSL 點用先。Would it be the bandit password already be stored at bandit pass or something? It's kind of fun. Not sure, but I can have a look on it. Oh my god. Yeah, you're right. It seems like it has a password on it, but I don't think it is very. But I don't think it's that easy to get the password. I'm not sure. It's just all. Oh no. It has a total of 33 levels. Oh my god. The level is 15. Now how about the bandit 15? Let me check it. Not sure, but hey, the level 15 is the password. This is a password that I log into this section. Maybe 16. Check for. Yeah, the 16 is disabled. If this is how modern server work, we are cooked. Yeah, absolutely. It will be a. Oh my god. It will be a vulnerability for all. Oh my god. What is the S plan? All we have to do is cat the band 15 and pipeline to the open SSL of the pop. Okay. Instead, I would just. I would like to just like echo it and then just pipe into it. But I'm not sure if that works well because the requirement, it looks like it requires some OpenSSL to log in, I think. Host. Oh my god. 3001. I don't think it's. Yeah. This will be hilarious if it works. No, it does not work. It requires SSL or TLS encryptions. But SSL. Oh, this guy. I haven't used the command S client yet. What is it? This is my first time to use to try this command. Bruh, that's not how the command works. S client. Ah, it is open SSL. S client. Why? S underscore client. It should be worked. Maybe. I'm not sure how to use the OpenSSL commands. So it's a server client, S client, OpenSSL, S client. OpenSSL, S client, dash connect localhost. I suppose. Why is it so sounding so obvious? Are they really about to do? I'm not sure, but I think this is for beginner. Yeah. My thought to the game is that level 15 is kind of from beginner to a more deep. Got wrote like that back in 2024. Let me close my eyes for now. Let me copy the command and try. Oh. Okay. Can't use SSL underscore get cert underscore server link. The password. I'm not sure if. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. The password. The password is here. Oh my god. 6 months. Permission denied. Why? Yeah. Thank God it wasn't rigged. How come? How come it became rigged? There are two files in the home directory, password.old and password.new. The password for the next level is in password.new. And it's the only line that has been changed between password.old and password.new. Note, if you have solved this level and see bye-bye when trying to log into Bennett 18, this is related to the next level, Bennett 19. Oops. You see like there are relations between the level 18 and even level 19 from the description. Really? Dot Bennett 15 dot password. I don't think it's so simple that I can just CD into it. Really? Yeah, it just can't be doing. It just can't do. I know why. Because it is. I skipped one level. Okay. The credentials for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password for the local in the range 31,000 to 32,000. First, find which of the. Okay. Just scan. Yeah, the MM is here. So let's scan the localhost from 31,000 to 30. Whoa. And find out which of those speak SSL, TLS, and which don't. There is only one server that will give the next credentials. The others will simply send back you to whatever you send to it. No. 睇先，我去廁所先，我轉頭翻嚟。Let me have a pee break. I'll need to go to the toilet. Give me a second. Sorry, I forgot to turn on my mic. That was my problem. That was my problem. That's not your problem. That's my problem. Welcome back again. 我係頭先我係唔記得咗，我係唔記得我係唔記得瞄翻我支咪啊，對唔住。Until I see your message, I didn't realize that I haven't unmute my mic yet. Thank you for reminding me. I have not yet unmute my mic. 31046呢個冇，我哋可以試下先。我 copy 咗啲即係嗰有邊啲波係可以 open 嘅先。唔係呢個係 no SSL 我 TLS。我哋試一試31518嚇，我哋逐個做 pause 先。我哋下一個係31518。315。31691佢 repeat 咗一次，即係31619呢個唔係嘅。我哋試下31790，我試下 paste 多次，係佢接彈咗我 ，OK 得31960，呢個都唔係。Seems like only 2 of them are using SSL, yeah, and 2 of them is no SSL, I think. 3046 I'm not sure the first one. Let me try again. 3046第一個係咪有啊？其實我試一次先。No, free. They have free server that does not have encryption. 咁我要試埋，即係頭先有兩個冇，即係需要呢個嘅 encryption 嘅 method。呢個 key update close。Okay. It seems like now it has updated key. According to what the prompt has said to me. 31790，我試一試31790得唔得先？31790，懟翻個嗰條 key 入去先，又係 key update。Getting done renegotiating or key update with the connected command section in the main page. Really? Wrong. Please enter the correct. What? 咩啊？呢個唔係咩？ 咁即係而家我哋再要再 check 多次啊！即係我要再 connect 多次普通嗰啲。31046冇喎，認真咩？31691。3190，係咪先？咁神奇咩？我應該要睇佢嘅狀態，嗰種乜嘢？睇下先，係3個。我要睇佢嗰個 connection 嘅狀態。Level 15's password gives us a clue that started with the CLU and ended with QLUEHD something. That might be it. Level 15. Let me check. Again, pure guesswork. Data transfer. Talking to server. I'm looking for the connection status. I'm renegotiating the key updates with the connected command section implementation. Sam 31518. Connected. Insert. Post handshake new section. Okay, right. Read out block. Closed. 31518. 31790. There is only one server that will give the next credentials. The other will simply send back to you whatever you sent it. So, according to what we have tried, it seems like all the no SSL one has just repeated the password for me. So it's likely the correct one will not be in the it will be not in the those that are not without the SSL. So my guess will be shrinking to only the SSL port, which is the 31518 and the 31790. These two. But how? We Oops. Wait, what? Hold on. How can I go back to the previous page? If I can't right click. So hold on a second. I will need to have some fixing. Let me just try to. Okay, it works. Sub. Yeah. So far, it's just about doing what was asked on the problem state says. I wonder if this is just about doing the OpenSSL thing again, but on a separate port. What do you mean by is on a separate port? But we have tried the mmap and only opens 5 ports. According to the scanning results, it should be. Okay, yeah, there are only 5 ports are open. So it's likely in these 5 ports. Put it on my own right now. Open it. Sure. And paste my current password. It's just telling the no, wrong. You can see it's wrong. What was CL1? Where do you get the CL1? Try it on my own right now. According to the questions, it seems like will be, yeah, you can retrieve the password by submitting the password of the current level. So it should be the password of. This is the port for sure, but we need to somehow cat it and send the output to the port like we did with band 15. Yes. This one. For level 50, I remember we are just connected to the we just open SSL and netcat to it and giving just pasting the password of the level 15 the password, and it will return the level 16 password to me. Yeah. So with it just keep telling me to keep updating. The set asked the same question but with a twisted way of interrupting, as if the guy who made it was an English major. It Bennett 16 somehow. Let's find out which of these posts have a server listening on them, then find out which of those speak SSL, TLS, and which don't. There is only one server that will give the next credentials. The others will simply send back to. Hey! This level use SoCat. Kamasa Yumi. What is SoCat? Let me check for it. Oh. Exact 2 address required. What is SoCat? SoCat 咩？我未用過。Let me see. CLUFN73. That's the password you missed out of. I forgot the part. What? How can we get the password? Is that from level 15? If so, then I may need to go back to it. Let me see. 15. Here is the 15th password. 16 password S. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, we solved the level 15 by using the command. Not this one. 15 to 16. 3001. 30,000. And we give the password for 15. Yeah. It should be something like this. If the bot simply echoes back the password pointed to the promising port using hold on. I get what you mean. You mean that wait, let me copy the password first. And then 790. This gives the correct password. Is that right? According to what you have, according to your message, it looks like we should use this one, right? Or we just use the one without the SSH. Without the SS one. Let's see. Yeah, the one without SSL one is yeah, this three is just repeating the message itself. So we'll root out the one without the SSL. So the correct one must be in the SSL one, which is, but this one is updating key. The 31518 should only, the purpose of that is for updating the key, if I'm right. And for 31790, this is the one we are trying to get the result from. Key update. So there was the key once, a point at a time, but not anymore. So there is a certain order to when trying to retrieve the key.我哋哇有咁畫咁大咩？認真？ Yeah, we're trying to place a new key that they have hidden inside this entire trash. I'm having a strong sense of CLUFN thinking being the key they really want. We can try. Let me see. CLU thingy in on. But if you input the wrong one, it doesn't tell you it's updating. Oops. It has time limit. Time out me. By the way, the close one is automatically timeout. I haven't did anything to it, so it's just timeout me after a certain of time. So it closes, then the key has no value. Yeah, that is the interesting. That's why I'm trying to understand, comprehend the question again. Try to find some evidence or hints for me to solve it. Okay.我研究緊呢個點樣佢。When a 15 password was sent to the servers on a port 30,001 via the OpenSSL cloud, the server did respond with the correct following by the password for the next level, but now it closed the connection. Yeah. So I think this one is the correct one, but it just tell me key update and nothing else. What if that's all we want? But where we get the credential from, if that is what we want. 我懷疑我呢台開始變咗喺練緊英文，其實我懷疑我呢台應該變咗做英文台。Like the next level asks us to find the difference of old password and new password. The old password was grayed out, remember? Yeah. Did that key update just update it? But I do not have permission to read the file because that is level 17. That is the password for level 17. Even if the key update there, I can't just get it because I do not have permission. So I will have no way to review the password. Wow. I mean, technically, we might have got what we need for level 17 to level 18. Yeah, but this should be what for the next level, right? Yeah. That was some word playing right there. I'm not sure. But according to the question, I mean, there is a little tiny word here telling that getting the done or renegotiating or the key updating. If that works, which we have, we do have the key update appears, the wording appears.16係呢個嘛，係咯。我冇由呢個15佢啊，係咪先？即係如果我俾一個 level 15嘅 password 佢，佢應該會直掉或者我俾一個 level 15嘅 password 佢會 close。If I give him a level 15 password, it will just paste what I have pasted. Are we sure the level 15 to 16 password was supposed to be that? That is a bit tricky. We can try if we give him a level 14 password. It will just telling you this is wrong. The password is wrong and giving the correct answer. So if we see the password key updates the command connected commands, it should be works normally. Oh hey. I still have doubts on the level 16 password. Why would they sudo encrypt it further? I'm not sure. But according to the question, like we are just doing step by step according to the questions. Here is what we will get the password for the next level. Not this. The credential for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level. 31,000 to 32,000. First, find out which of these, then find out which of those speak SSL/TLS and which don't. There is only one server that will give the next credentials. Only others will simply send back to you whatever you send it. What is SS? Oh no. It shows the connections. Can we just use connect? No. Close. This is making me want to scream. If this is how we find the password, then why is it on a key update? Close. Oh, it's 5. Oh my god. 今日直播我諗住開到去5點3左右，因為玲仔陣間仲有嘢要去做，所以今日淨係開到差唔多5點3左右，應該差唔多。So today the live will be, I think we will be just live to around 17:15 around, yeah. Because they still have extra works to do after the live ended. So yeah, we will be ending the live soon.但係其實我諗先，嗱而家問題係咧，我哋即係我哋而家試咗係即係31518同埋31790呢兩個波係可以即係連咗去嘅，即係可以咩嘅？但係咧佢呢兩個反應有少少唔同嘅，就係咧我俾完個 password 佢之後，佢係會。即係呢518呢個咧，就係我俾完 password 之後，佢打咗個 key update 之後，佢就會自己過一陣佢之後，佢就自己 close 咗嘅。但係我哋試下呢個31790啦。31790我哋俾完之後，其實佢都係差唔多㗎咋。我哋俾完條 key 之後，佢都係自己會。不過佢冇 close 咗就。 所以嗱，佢呢個咧，如果我打一個錯嘅密碼咧，佢就會叫你入一個正確密碼啦。咁 suppose 我 suppose 佢應該係呢一個。我 suppose 佢應該係呢一個先係正確嘅答案嚟喎。It say we can only use div or cat. What file you want to cat? Do you mean the password or? To me, I think the third one, the second one, the second one have a higher chance to get the password. I think because you can see from the first one, we tried we just input the key and then it just update and close it for whatever reason. But if the second one, if you try to get some wrong password, it will tell you, hey, the password is wrong. So I think, to me, I think the second one has a higher chance to get the password for the next level.我覺得呢個應該係即係其實我覺得第二個嗰個係嘅可能性大啲咯。如果真係要講話攞到密碼嘅話，哇！佢居然開緊台，早啊千里，早啊！ So to me, it's like the second one with a port 31790 has a higher chance to get to reveal the password for next level. Since it will tell you that if you have entered a correct password or not. What if it was just an easy div password, new password? Oh, really? But that it was the password for the next level. Of course we can try. Of course we can try. Oh my god. Let me get that password. I forgot what is the directory. 我先唔記得嗰個叫乜嘢係 credential 唔記得，算啦，唔緊要。I forgot what was the folder called. But I think the password the developer won't play on us like that. I think, generally speaking. I think we can check the answer for this question. I think we can check the answer.我哋可以睇睇第16條嗰個答案先。因為我覺得我哋自己冇做錯嘢，係啦。首先即係佢按照佢要求啦，佢話要喺呢個31000至32000呢個 range 入邊去揾啲開咗嘅商法啦。which is 我哋用咗 MA 係正常啦。 we got food around 3. I'm not sure, but I can see that instead of using OpenSSL, the solution tell us it is using NCAT instead. So the port is what? I can see the solution telling us to use the NCAT instead. What? I don't know why. Why? I've skipped the. I misspelled. I've misspelled it. Wait, how do we use NCAT? I'm not sure. Hostname port. Yeah, we can minus okay dash SSL. Okay, so like this. Yeah, it looks like it must use NCAT instead. It does not. If you use the OpenSSL one, it does not output the key to us. I'm not sure why, but yeah, here is the key. At least we got it to work. Oh my god. Yeah, here is the key for level. Let me see if we can open to change the. Hey, I'm wondering what's the difference between these two. I'm not sure why.好啦，佢真係揀唔到啊！佢真係 open 唔到嗰個 key 嘅。如果你用 OpenSSL 嗰個方法嘅話，OK 係有啲奇怪，不過算啦，唔緊要。好，哇 ，OK， 我哋今日破到我哋玩到呢度去，我哋玩到去呢個 level 17啊，係啊，我哋可以 log in 去呢個 level 17睇睇先。Shit, we go again. We can try level 17. We can try to log into 17, but I think we'll keep it to the next time. Yeah, since the time is almost running out. Yeah. So we are successfully to log into the level 17. Yeah. So here is a good news. It is good news to hear. OK， 好，17。 咁我哋下一次啊，下一次我哋可以玩呢個嘅17，我哋可以喺呢個17度開始。我見到佢頭先，我哋頭先即係睇過下啦咁樣，大概咧都即係佢成個咩好似有成33個好似33個 level。34個 level 係34個 level，咁啱啱好我哋而家去到17 level，差唔多啱好一半左右啦。咁就 very good。咁所以我哋下次就可以，我哋就嚟呢一個嘅我哋喺呢個嘅 level 17開始啦。我哋就可以。Tips of terminal WSL no I'm using my I've updated to Windows 11 and it is using terminal as default.咁啊，我哋今日就去到咁多先啦。咁啊，我哋可以講翻先，辛苦晒先。YouTube RIP. Yep, because I've kind of forced it because since I will need to have a stream. I will need to live on YouTube. So some of the devices are required. The driver will need to use Windows. Otherwise, it will not work. So I was kind of forced to use Windows. 辛苦晒偉奇，辛苦晒一 P， 辛苦晒胡仔，辛苦晒卡馬傑，辛苦晒千里係嘛？雖然唔知千里喺度啦，但係辛苦晒。辛苦晒阿 Zora。Hey, how can I call you? I have a question for you. How can I call you? I'm not sure how to mention you. If you have any nickname, I can call me whatever you want. Okay. Then I would just call you Asia. Are you okay with that? Sure. Okay. Good to hear. Windows these days is considered a downgrade more than an upgrade. Drivers carry over to recent Linux kernels, by the way. Yeah. But because of some tools I'm using right now, that some drivers which only supports on Windows, I can't afford to change it to Linux right now. So yeah, so I will for now I will keep it to for Windows now. The fact that somebody just calls me with some name, that means a lot to me. Okay. You know what? The name Azure. The first thing I will think of is that the Microsoft one. Their cloud one, the cloud server. Azure cloud server. That is what the first impression for, when I saw your name. So 好啦，咁我哋去到咁多先啦，我哋下次再見啦。So yeah, we will be ending live here. So this is all for today. And 我嚟緊禮拜應該係後日，我記得好似係 係啊，禮拜11號我哋係呢個嘅禮拜4，咁啊禮拜4我哋有呢個係呢個吹水台啊，我哋會揸呢個貨車啊，我哋有呢個雜談可以傾下偈咁啊，咁啊歡迎到時咁啊呢個21號咁啊歡迎入嚟，我哋可以傾下偈啦，係嘛咁啊21號咧，其實我會想傾下嗰啲叫咩咧？我之前咧，其實我有講過話係呢個嘅即係我有喺 DC 度咧，我有喺 Discord 度咧有問過大家咧，對於即係有冇人記得即係以前小學嘅時候咧，午餐嘅即係嘅供應商係邊一間？係啦。咁咧，如果你仲記得咧話如果你仲記得個咧，咁啊歡迎到時咧21號嘅時候啊，我哋可以一齊討論下呢個我哋午膳即係以前咧讀書時期咁我哋午膳嘅時候係邊一間供應商係啦？點解咧？點解突然間有呢個突然間有呢個諗法咧？係因為係因為點講啊？以前因為我記得印象中咧，其實我至少對於我嚟講，我印象中我小學嘅供應商午膳供應商咧，其實唔難食嘅。咁係啦，我聽到即係我見到喺嗰啲即係喺其他 platform 啦，例如Flash 啊，定係 Twitter 都曾經好似有人講過話咧，即係以前嗰啲供應商咧，就即係嗰啲午膳咧，唔係太好食，唔係太好食咁樣係啦。咁我就好好奇啦，究竟有幾多人咧係即係點講係咪因為供應商唔同，所以導致嗰個質素有啲唔同咧，定點樣咧？係啦，呢個我有一個非常之好奇嘅一個問題喺度啊。咁所以我哋禮拜4可以傾下，我哋可以揾我喺度又傾下要點樣去即係我哋可以一齊討論下呢個以前讀書時期嘅午膳供應商係啊。如果未加入 Discord 嘅嘛，歡迎加入 Discord 啦，咁啊，未訂閱嘅可以記得訂閱，咁啊，我哋下次再見，咁啊，唔係我哋禮拜4見啦，係啊，我哋21號有台，記得我哋21號禮拜4有台，咁所以我哋禮拜4見，夜晚11點，我哋係咁先，拜拜。Yeah, so we will end the stream here. So, see ya.